Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And if you found this particular video helpful, leave me a like. That really helps out the channel and allows me to continue to make wonderful videos. So today's product I want to cover is essentially a kid's swing that you can hang to any tree branch, or even if you have an old swing set, you can attach it to that. But it is by a company called Easnwllim. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm going to include a link in the description that'll take you to their website. You can check it out for yourself, see the current price point, all those kind of fun stuff. But once you order it, it's going to come in just a plain cardboard box, and then the swing itself will be in there. So this is the swing I got. They have a couple colors. I got the blue one here. And I like this particular style for several reasons. And the first one is it has these kind of like triangle setup here on the ends. And what that does is it keeps it from tipping. So it makes it really easy to climb on. And it's nice and secure and strong. As you can see, this is a pretty hardcore braided rope here. They say the swing can hold up to 500 pounds. Obviously, that's going to be also dependent on your branch that you are selecting. So you want to make sure it's a nice, sturdy branch. The plastic here is coated with basically a mold-resistant chemical, they say. And then it's also not going to fade with the sun and break down. So it can withstand the elements, if you will. The seat size, so from the front to back is 6.3 inches, and from width to width is 17.5 inches. And then the cable itself is going to be adjustable essentially from 70.9 inches to 39.4 inches. And how you're going to do that essentially is, if I can kind of get the pieces here, you're going to take this and you're going to kind of thread it through, if you will. And this part here, it's a nice little ring, you're going to hook the D-clip to and slide this in. And then they're going to include these little pieces here, and this is what goes around your tree branch. And we're going to install this and put it all to the test so you guys can see how all this works. But then that slides through and that goes around your branch. Obviously, if you have a bigger branch than this circumference, you're going to have to get another setup. But other than that, this is kind of the whole setup. So let's go ahead and go outside, install it, and so that way you guys can see it all in action. Alright guys, now you can see the swing is installed. It was a super easy, breezy install. You can see up here, I wasn't quite satisfied with the height of the swing, so I ended up adding a few chains at the top because I wanted a thicker branch, which was a little bit taller up. So I did that and got it perfect. And because obviously the branch is sloping, you just adjust the ropes as needed to get the swing nice and level. So yeah, pretty easy install, and it is working great. Very impressed with it. So yeah, hit me up in the comments if you have any questions. I do typically respond. If there was something that I did not cover. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.